Here's how you can make a Game Pass in Roblox step by step. First things first, head over to the Roblox website. Just go to roblox.com. Log into your account if you're not already, then hit that create button at the top. Now, this should take you to the Creator Hub, but if it doesn't, no worries. Just type create.roblox.com in your browser and press enter. Once you're in the Creator Hub, look at the side menu and click on Creations. Make sure you're on the Experiences tab and either select an existing experience or create a new one. For example, you can just use the default one if you're adding a pass for something like Please Donate. Scroll down the side menu and find Monetization, then click on Passes. Now hit that Create a Pass button. You'll see a default pass image at the top. You can leave it as is or click Change to upload your own custom image. Pick the image you want, click Open, then give your pass a name like Gamepass or whatever you like. Add a description too if you want. Once that's done, click Create Pass. Now click on your pass to open its settings, and on the left, click Sales. Turn on the Item for Sale toggle, then enter your price. Remember, Roblox takes a 30% cut, so you'll get 70% of whatever price you set. Click Save Changes when you're done. Now go back to the Passes page, hover over your Game Pass, click the options, 3 dots, and open it in a new tab. That's where you'll see all the details. If your Game Pass isn't showing up in-game, try refreshing the game menu. If it's still not working, then go back to the Passes page, hit Settings in the side menu, and make sure your experience is set to public. Save your changes and refresh the game again. And that's it. That's how you make a Game Pass in Roblox.